Hello, my name is Bryam Delgado Pareja. I am studying a bachelor's degree in English as a foreign language at UNAD, and today I am going to explain these three IPA consonant sounds. Well, there are ja, z, and ka. Let's start with the consonant ja. Well, it is a sound merged of two single sounds. Its place is post-alveolar. It means that the tongue touches of the alveoli near the palate. It has an stop sound z and a fricative sound z. It is an affricative sound. It means that it's made by stopping the airstream and releasing with an audible friction. And let's explain how to make it. How to make this sound. First, slightly open your mouth and push out your lips. Place the tip of your tongue out the alveolar ridge behind your upper front tip. This way you stop the air. Then release the air, arch your tongue so it is near the roof of your mouth. Make sure that you don't touch the roof of your mouth and there is a small gap for the air stream. It will flow with loud noise. It means that it is a voiced sound. It is, well, here we have some examples. And, well, for give some examples, I wanna tell that it can be different words, different letters, and it can be in different words. Like, it can be a G in ginger, page. It can be a J in job, object. It can be a DG in fridge or bridge. It can be a D in soldier, procedure, and it can be a GG in subjects on veggie. Well, it is a voiced sound with a longer vowel before. It is different to z. I mean, batch, rich. There is a little different, but you have to take it into account to don't make a mistake. Let's continue with a tongue twister. There is Major John Bridges and Sergeant Jean Roger gently changed the engine in their huge jeep. There is to practice. We have to look for different ways to practice these sounds. Now let's continue with the next consonant sound. There is the Z. Well, it is a fricative sound. Well, excuse me. There is a fricative sound. It means that it is a sound made by partially blocking the air, which creates an audible friction moving through your mouth, and it is a voiceless sound. And it is also a post-alveolar sound. Well, how to make this sound? First, slightly open your mouth and round your lips. You may push them out a little. Arch your tongue and raise it to the roof of your mouth, but don't touch it. Make sure there is a small gap between them. Next, release a stream of air over your tongue. The air flows between the blade of your tongue and the roof of your mouth. It will create a lot of noise. Zzz, zzz. You have to line the vowel before the z to not pronounce z. I mean, there is an example. Well, it can be different words. It can be an X in words like version. It also can be a G in regime, an C in answer, and a T in equation. Well, we have to learn the vowel as vision, not as mission. Vision, mission. Well, there is a little difference to not make mistakes. And finally, let's explain the consonant sound. Ha. Well, ha, it's an stop and voiceless consonant sound. It is a plosive. Well, its manner is plosive. It means that the air current comes from the lungs for a few millésimas second and is swiftly released. Its place is velar. It means that the part of the tongue that intervenes is in the region of the tongue corresponding to the soft palate. Well, this sound is made by stopping air with the back of your tongue in your throat. It is made with a strong puff of air at the beginning of words and syllables. Well, how to make this sound? First, slightly open your mouth and lift your lips in a neutral position. Well, raise the back of your tongue toward your throat and stop the air with the back of your tongue, and then release it with a strong puff. And well, its sound can be in different letters, like the other sounds. And let's talk. Well, we can find its consonant sound in the letters C in can't, in the letter K in key, the letters C and K in rock, CH, H, CC, occur, key, UE, unique, and other samples like king, kank, and lack. Well, finally, I'm going to pronounce a tongue twisters. Well, there is Carl Kisler kept the ketchup in the kitchen. Carl Kisler kept the ketchup in the kitchen. And well, that's all my explanation for today. Thank you very much. Until the next time.